In this video, I'll show you how to use P2P trading on Binance. First, let me quickly explain what P2P trading is. P2P stands for peer-to-peer. It means you are buying or selling crypto directly with another person instead of going through an exchange. Binance connects buyers and sellers and holds the crypto in escrow to keep everything safe. The big advantage of P2P is that you can choose your own payment method. This includes bank transfers, third-party payment apps, or even cash, depending on what the seller accepts. Now let me show you how to buy crypto using Binance P2P. First, log into your Binance account. Click on Trade and then select P2P. You will see a list of sellers offering different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USDC. Choose the crypto you want to buy. Then use the filters to sort sellers by payment method and price. Once you find a seller that works for you, click Buy DTC. Enter the amount you want to buy and select your payment method. Complete the payment following the seller's instructions. After you send the payment, make sure you click the Transfer Notify Seller button. This is important, so do not skip it. Once the seller confirms they received your payment, Binance will release the crypto from escrow directly into your account. Before you start, here are a few quick tips. Always check the seller's rating and choose someone with a high rating and lots of completed trades. Only use trusted payment methods and never click Transfer Notify Seller until you have actually sent the payment. That is how you do it.